Now that our dough has risen, we're going to be kneading this and putting this into the pans. So the dough has risen in about double size, and because of the oil we put onto the dough before putting it in, it should easily come out. So we're just going to knead this. I'll see you when this is properly kneaded. I kneaded the dough and I've separated into 3 different things. So I'm going to just roll the dough out. You can oil the. I'm just gonna use this tiny rolling pin. I've washed my hands before this and put some flour on the working station. So now I'm just gonna use this. So, just going to use my hands now and just stretch it out. Here, do to this one as well. I'm going to be using 2 different ovens to bake this pizza. One is going to be this active fryer I got from Dubai. And it's from DeLonghi, and an oven. Okay. So I'm going to put all of these. I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of the doughs. And so when this is done, So I've put this one in the pan, and I'm going to put this dough in the active fryer. My brother has lined it in with oil, and I'm just going to put the dough in. So I'm going to put this, once it's lined, into this pan, and I'm going to put it on the pizza setting and let it cook for about 40 minutes until the dough is cooked. And then I'm going to add the toppings on and recook. The right way to make the dough, and you can always try it at home, and it's really easy to do. So I'll see you in my next video. We've put the dough in the pizzas, and we're going to be adding the toppings now. So we're gonna start by adding our homemade marinara sauce on top of it. So just gonna spread this. Here, you can use the spoon to take it out. So I'm gonna spread this using the smaller spoon.
If you want to spread it better, do it from your hands.
So,
But
when you think
wear gloves.
Yeah.
Do not do it with your bare hands.
Yeah, we want to make sure everything is okay for coronavirus. We would have added more toppings, but because of the lockdown, we couldn't have gotten all of the things. So now I'm going to be adding the chicken in. So I'm going to be adding some chicken that we made homemade, the fajita chicken. I'll put the link in the description below for the marinara sauce and for the chicken. So we just need to sprinkle these everywhere. Okay. So now I'm just going to add. I think the pizza and active fryer is ready. So let's see how it looks now. So here it is. So this is the one without the tomato. Children might want to use adult help to take it out. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So the pizza from the ovens are done, and they look like this. But always be careful when taking it out because the pans are still warm. So I'll see you when the ones in the active fryer are done.
These are super good.